In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made $800 in 2 days just from buying Bitcoin. You don't want to miss this. Welcome back to my channel. The name is Jackie. If you didn't know, well, now you know, okay? So please definitely feel free to mark that register by giving this video a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, okay? Turn on those post notifications so that you get notified every single time your girl JB be uploading a new video, okay? So let's quickly get into it. Okay, so basically this all started towards end of December. I was pretty much interested in finding out what is happening in the crypto world. I've been curious for a while. And then something was just like, you know what, quickly download Luno and check out how Bitcoin is doing. Because I kept having my friends always asking me about whether I have invested, and I still hadn't at the time. So I decided to try it out. What I kept on doing was following the trends in the market. So then I decided that, okay, fine. I just raised 4,000 rands and I was like, let me risk it. You know what? It is good. You know, I'm just about to do this. I'm all in. It's do or die. Okay. And then I put the money in right in early January. Then I went onto my Luno app and then I bought Bitcoin. Okay. So after that, I left it at that. I tried to stay away from the app for like a good whole 2 days. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to know. I'm just, yes, you know what I mean? And then I just woke up one morning. I just saw the news, my Google trending page. And then I just saw how Bitcoin shoot right into the moon, you know? And I was like, oh my goodness, let me check my investment. Fine. I then went on to Luno, logged in, and I was pretty nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, hey, I can't wait to see what's happening. So I went onto my wallet, clicked on my wallet, and oh my goodness, I had made over 800 rands on top of my 4,000 rands that I had invested. It was one of the most glorious days that I can just imagine. So as you know, I was literally over the moon when I saw that. I didn't want to waste any more time. I was just like, Jay, you better remove this money right now, okay? I withdrew pretty much 2,800 and something that I needed to use at that time. So I quickly moved it to my South African wallet, and then from there I withdrew it to my South African bank account. Okay, so pretty much I came in around this point here, early Jan, around here, and Bitcoin just literally shot right out of the roof, right over here. It just hiked up like crazy right over here. It was extremely bullish. This is pretty much where I came in, and this is pretty much here where I left. So I made a profit right over here. So this is pretty much what we are looking for. We're looking for hikes of this nature right over here. I mean, it went all the way from 470 something K all the way up to 640 something K. So look at that. Look, the difference is up extremely insane. And a lot of institutions were pretty much investing in Bitcoin right over here. Disclaimer. I am in no way a financial advisor, and definitely this post is not sponsored, okay guys? Whichever cryptocurrency you choose to buy, you do it at your own risk, okay guys? So definitely please make an informed decision before joining any of these platforms or buying any cryptocurrency, okay? So if you are interested in buying Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, you can definitely catch this video right above my head. I'll put a card up there. Click on it and it will definitely show you how to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies on the Luno app. Okay, you can also download the app right in my description down below. So in no way did I trade the cryptocurrency. All I did was to buy and hold. That is all. So if you are one of those that made a profit in the first week of Jan, early Jan, please definitely leave me a comment in the comment section. I would definitely like to know whether you made a loss or a profit, okay? And if you're finding this video helpful, please definitely give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, okay? Turn those post notifications on so that you get notified every time I'll be uploading a new video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you stuck this far, you rock, okay? If you're also interested in more ways of making money online, you can definitely watch these videos right over here, okay? And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time in my next video. This is your girl JB, and I am signing out.